Can you really eat like this and still get clear skin? Hey you, it's Sun Jung from Hungry Gopher. Welcome back to our journey to clear radiant skin. Today, we are diving into the world of holistic skin healing recipes. If you're part of our community, you know we are all about embracing the mind-body connection for clear, beautiful skin and delicious foods.
We have about 10 beautiful free-range chicken wings here, and they're already rinsed and patted dry with paper towel. So let's cut this in half and cut this until you see the bone. And if you move it a little, you'll see the joint, and you can just cut between the joint. You should cut really easily. And let's place them here. So cut this at the joint, then cut it through the joint, and it'll cut like butter. I like nibbling on the wing tips. They are really tasty once they get crispy, but if you don't like them, just discard them.
Now I know many of you face recurring skin issues, the persistent itchiness, rashes, and dryness that can make life quite challenging. But fear not, I've got a special recipe for holistic, gluten-free Korean hot wings that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also contributes to your skin's well-being. I made this recipe back in 2015 when I found out that there's a strong connection between what you eat and recurring skin issues, such as itchiness, rashes, or dryness. I've had skin problems, including seborrheic dermatitis, over 30 years. When topical steroids that I had used stopped working after 30 years of usage, eating anti-inflammatory foods that lower inflammation in the body was a crucial component of healing my skin naturally.
And let me rinse my hands real quick. Alright, I have a sheet pan already prepared here. I put the aluminum foil on the bottom for easier cleaning, and I put a rack on top. So let's salt and pepper the wings. Alrighty, let's turn them over. And make sure there's just enough room between the wings. And salt and pepper again on both sides. Alrighty, that's looking good. And we're gonna lightly dust them with some starch. I'm using sweet rice flour here. You can substitute with cornstarch. Just lightly dust it. This is gonna really help to make them extra crispy. Alright. The last one over here. And we're gonna butter them up. And I'm using a half stick melted unsalted butter here. And brush this on. Let's turn them over and butter the other side. This is my indulgence dish. I don't know much about American football, but I'm always excited about Super Bowl, so I can have my chicken wings.
In Korean culture, we believe in the power of kimchi, not as a delicious side dish, but also holistic health powerhouse. The juice from kimchi, filled with probiotics and nutrients, aligns perfectly with our holistic approach to skincare and wellness. Also, honoring the food by using every part of the dish contributes to reducing food waste. Good for you, good for your wallet, and good for the environment. As we prepare these mouth-watering Korean hot wings, think about the dual benefits, the amazing flavors you're about to experience, and the potential advantages for your skin's health. Hey there! If you're ready to transform your skin and feel confident in your skin, now is the time. Click the link below to start your 14-day free trial of Korean Clear Skin Formula. This exclusive offer is your ticket to clear glowing skin naturally. I only have 5 spots available for this month, so don't miss out. Your delicious journey to radiant skin awaits. After a 9-year journey filled with trials and errors, unlocking the secret to clear skin while indulging in my favorite foods became a reality. The key revelation: quality ingredients are just as crucial as the type of food you consume. So buy organic when you can. Vote with your money by choosing sustainably raised animal products and organic foods. This way, as you heal yourself, you can also help others. Think of it as a beautiful symbiosis, much like the relationship between you and kimchi. This probiotic superfood works wonders for your gut health, replenishing those good for you bacteria. In return, you're providing them a warm, welcoming home in your gut. It's a win-win for your skin and your overall well-being. Let's continue this journey together.
Alrighty, now they are covered up with butter. We're gonna put this in a 450-degree oven. And we're gonna cook them about 20 minutes and turn them over and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Give me thumbs up while we are waiting for the wings. It's been 20 minutes, let's turn them over. Oh boy, that looks already amazing. We'll turn them over. That smells so good. Make sure you leave a little room in between. We're gonna put them back in the oven. And we're gonna cook them for another 15 to 20 minutes until they are golden, crispy, and delicious. I love chicken wings, don't you? After I got this recipe down, I got rid of my deep fryer, since these guys are just as crispy and delicious as fried ones. While we are waiting for them, let's make a killer hot wing sauce. So turn the heat on. We'll need 1 tablespoon sesame oil. And we'll need some minced garlic. And we'll saute this about a minute or two until the garlic turns the color. Alright, that's looking good. Turn the heat to medium. And we're gonna use my secret weapon, kimchi juice. We need a half cup of this. Make sure you lower the heat a bit, otherwise it might splash on your face and you don't want that. Kimchi juice will add nice, complex, pungent flavors to the sauce. And we can turn the heat back up a little bit. And add some salt. And some rice vinegar. And some 𝑘𝙊𝙼𝘾𝙃, which is Korean chili pepper flakes. If you're unfamiliar with it, watch my video right here. Adjust this amount to your preferred spice level, or skip it if you like. But I like my wings spicy. And we'll need 2 tablespoons of honey. And we're gonna cook this for 5 minutes until all the flavors come together and thickens a little bit. Stir this often so it doesn't get burned. Alrighty, now it has thickened just like this, and we're gonna finish it with 1 tablespoon of butter. And just melt this, and it's gonna really shine through the butter flavor by finishing it this way. It smells so good here. Now the butter has melted, we'll turn this off. And we're gonna dress up the wings when the wings are ready. Alright, the time has come. It's looking amazing. And we'll put them in the sauce. Nice and crispy, I can hear. Alright, we'll start with that. And toss it around.
Before you go, If you're craving more personalized support on your clear skin journey, follow the link below this video, complete our 2-minute clear skin audit, and let me personally guide you towards the radiant skin you're born with. Your personalized skin transformation is just a click away. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, radiant clear skin is not just about what you put on, it's about what you put in and much, much more. Embrace the holistic approach, savor the flavors. I'll see you next time. Visit 𝘾𝙾𝙼𝘾.com for more natural skin healing recipes and tips. Let's make your skin healing journey easy, fun, and delicious.